Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to copy entire Excel sheet. To start, open the Excel file. You will be able to see the data to copy. This includes functions. After that, right-click on the sheet and select Move or Copy. There, in the field to the book, you can use the current book by moving the page to the end or to some other position. For this case, we will select the New Book option. It is important that you check the box, Create a Copy. When you click on OK, you will see that all the data is copied to that new book. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.